Hey, what's up guys? My name is Clayton J. Today is a vlog. Guess what I'm doing, guys? So the other day, I made homemade wings. That's what I made, like homemade chicken wings. And I'm making it again today because it was so good. And we're both hungry. It's 9:28 a.m. in the morning. We're hungry though, and I don't really like breakfast that much, like anything breakfast. So I thought, why not make chicken wings again? Honey chicken barbecue wings. Here's the barbecue. We got the honey. We got the chicken here. I already cut everything up. Flour. This right here is eggs and milk. Here. By the way, like I've always wanted to bread shit, like bread chicken, all that. I never knew what would be the best thing. And cornflakes. That's what I did, and it tastes magic. And in here has cornflakes, and then it had some ground, what am I saying? Garlic pepper. I got some black pepper. I got some salt, and that's it. There's a couple other stuff I'm supposed to add to it, but we don't have it. So that's all that's in there. And then, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do that. Dude, I'm so glad I look at that. The sled's down. Dude. Are you okay?
I want to see that my back hurts.
Yeah, it should. Wait, let's watch Allison first. Are you gonna do it or not?
Do it.
I know. Dude, you got so high. You were like higher than me. Like I could have slam dunked you down. That's how high you were. Look how far your sled went. It went all the way down there.
Holy shit.
All right, you ready, Allison? Damn. That's crazy.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm so fucking scared. Do it. I don't know how. When you fall, do not use your arms. What? Don't try to pound your fall with your arm. Why? Because if you land on it, you'll break them. Oh fuck! Oh fuck!